What's good, everybody? Today's video we're going to show you two kitchen gadgets. These are jar opener. One is a 4-in-1 hand one, and then one is under mount, and it works like this. That easy. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So today, yet another kitchen gadget that you may want to consider grabbing. Actually two. We have jars. Now this is primarily for an older person who has issues gripping and squeezing. So this is a little 4-in-1 portable jar and lid opening. So you can basically just kind of go here like that, and then you just twist, and that's going to open it, right? It goes on little ones as well, like so, right? And then you just twist, right, like this, and then you twist. All right. Now this is a plastic and then silicone on the inside, but this still requires a little bit of squeezing, right? So we got this other one here. So this is an under cabinet mounted lid jar opener. And the way that one works is there are these metal teeth in here. You just zoom in right here. They're nice and sharp. And what you do is you take your jar with the lid and then you go counterclockwise. You don't go clockwise, you go counter. Like, see that? And look at that. It opened it up. See that? It works with every single. See that? Open. And then of course something like that. Just show you that this is closed. And then you go this way. See that? So this is definitely very easy to use. It's mounted on 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. And again, this will pretty much open any jar of any size, whereas this one maxes out at a certain size. So that's it. Thanks for watching.